5 stunning photography tips for new DSLR owners. Just got your Canon EOS Rebel T7? Here are 5 tips to take your photography to the next level. Tip 1. Master your camera settings. Learn the exposure triangle. Adjust aperture for blurred backgrounds, shutter speed for action, and ISO for brightness. Start with auto mode and move to manual as you gain confidence. Tip 2. Experiment with lenses. Switching between the 18 to 55 mm and 75 to 300 mm lenses. Your 18 to 55 mm lens is great for everyday shots, while the 75 to 300 mm is perfect for zoom and wildlife photography. Play with both to find your style. Tip 3. Use natural light. Take advantage of natural light. Shoot during golden hour for soft, warm tones or use cloudy days for even lighting. Low light? Use the Rebel T7's ISO settings. Soft light. Tip 4. Perfect your composition. Improve your shots with composition. Use the rule of thirds to position your subject and leading lines to guide the viewer's eye. Tip 5. Edit for impact. Enhance your photos with editing tools like Lightroom or Snapseed. Adjust brightness and colors to make your shots stand out. Shoot in RAW for more flexibility. Edit with Lightroom or Snapseed. With these tips and the Canon EOS Rebel T7, you're ready to capture amazing shots. Subscribe for more photography tips and check the description for product links.